Take a moment to arrive. Imagine yourself near the shoreline. The light is soft. The tide moves in a slow, steady rhythm. Nothing rushing. Nothing asking anything of you. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to fix. And nothing you need to become right now. This moment is not asking for transformation. It's simply asking for your presence. Easter, for many, is a symbol of renewal, of returning, of rising again. But renewal doesn't begin with becoming someone new. It begins by returning to who you already are. Bring your attention to your body. Notice where you are supported. Your feet, your back, the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body, held without effort. Like the shoreline holding the edge of the sea. You don't need to hold yourself up. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench. Let your breath move naturally. Breathe in as the tide moves gently in, and exhale as it returns to the sea. This is where you begin, not in your thoughts, not in your plans, but here. Take a moment to notice what you've been carrying, not just physically, but internally. Expectations, pressure, old stories about who you should be. Maybe there's been self-doubt, moments where you questioned yourself or felt like you weren't enough. You don't need to push any of it away. Just notice it, like watching waves arrive and then pass, without judgment, without needing to change it, because awareness is where change begins. Now, gently begin to loosen your grip, not by forcing anything to leave, but by allowing it to soften. The version of you that felt not enough doesn't need to be fought. It just needs space. Space to breathe, space to rest, space to dissolve naturally. With each exhale, allow the tide to carry a little of that weight away. Old pressure, old expectations, quiet self-doubt. Not all at once, just enough to create a little more room inside. Now, notice what remains beneath the noise, beneath the pressure. There is something steady, something unchanged, like the quiet rhythm of the sea continuing beneath the surface. A calmer part of you that has always been here. Not louder, not stronger, just steady. Notice how the light rests on the water now, soft, but clearer than before. This is not a new version of you. This is you, without the weight. And from this place, confidence doesn't need to be built. It begins to return, not as certainty, but as trust. Trust in your ability to meet your life as you are. Take a slow breath in and let it fall out naturally. Notice the feeling of staying with yourself, not rushing ahead, not pulling away, just remaining, like standing at the water's edge, steady as the tide moves around you. Confidence doesn't come from having all the answers. It comes from this, your willingness to stay, to listen, to respond, to be present, even when things are unclear. This is your foundation, steady, unforced, real. As we come to a close, notice the space inside you now, even if it's subtle. A little more room, a little more ease. You don't need to leave here as a different person. You don't need to rise all at once. Real renewal is quiet. It unfolds, like the turning of the tide, gradual, steady, certain, and you are allowed to move with it slowly. Take one final breath in and a steady breath out. When you're ready, begin to leave the shoreline. Carry that steadiness with you. A small movement of the fingers, a gentle shift in your body. And when it feels right, open your eyes. You are not starting over. You are returning. Take one last slow breath in and let it fall away. This practice is complete. Carry the calm of the shoreline with you and return whenever you need to. Stay anchored.